Ken Chan for Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Kelvin Miranda for Unika Iha. JC De Vera for Nag-aapoy na Damdamin. And Benjamin Alves for Magandang Dilag.
The VP Choice Award goes to Katie Estrada.
So before I start, can we just acknowledge the other nominees po? They're so talented and napakahusay na po nilang actors. And if you don't mind, I have a grocery list of people I'd like to thank. So of course, I'd like to thank VCBA Awards, and of course the panel. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Dreamscape, thank you Star Magic for the opportunity they gave me a few months ago to work in my first teleserye, and I hope I made them proud. And of course, kay Direk Lauren, rest in peace Sir Leo, si Ate Hazel, Kuya Ron, Direk Raymond, Direk Roderick, the rest of the production crew, si Jovan, Cedric, Sid, Tonet, Ate Kimmy, Ate Trish, and the camera, of course, the audio, the utility. Of course, my wonderful co-stars, si Ronnie Alonte, si Lois Sandalio, Charlie Dizon, Elise Hoson, si Joseph Marco, and of course, special mention to my love team, si Alexa Ilaco, my partner. Thanks so much. I hope I made you proud. And thank you for your patience. And of course, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming mga supporters, sweethearts, solids. Thank you guys for watching, always posting us sa social media, and always giving us the encouragement to work harder than before. I love you guys, and I'll never stop saying that I love you kasi the best kayo. Thank you. Thank you ulit, VPCA, and thank you for the recognition. Thank you po.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actress of the Year for an afternoon series goes to people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performance.